and on today's video we're going to make fried jackfruit. That is a copycat recipe of Chick-Fil-A nuggets. We're going to use jackfruit. I was only able to find canned in my area. I used coconut milk, hot sauce, tempura batter. What's not pictured is better than bouillon, and I used the vegetable flavor, and I also used some Cajun seasonings. After making a marinade for the jackfruit consisting of the coconut milk and hot sauce, I used the tempura batter and the Cajun seasoning. I dredged the wet pieces through the dry, and I double dipped a couple of them for extra crunch, and it did not disappoint. Next, we went to the fryer. At first I used some extra virgin olive oil, and then I had some grapeseed oil on hand once the cooking oil got a little bit, I don't know the word for it, but I had too much of the flour drippings in, and I had to change it so it wouldn't burn. But these fried up beautifully. I made sure that my frying oil temperature was around, I think it was 350, 360 maybe. And I cooked them for about 4 minutes each side until they gave me a golden brown color. Of course, a couple of them cooked a little bit too long once I got to my last batch, but nevertheless, they did not disappoint. Next, I used some high fructose corn syrup free barbecue sauce. This one is honey barbecue, and later I used Sweet Baby Ray's chipotle honey barbecue to dip them in. But of course, you could make your own. I like to use sometimes a little bit of honey mustard with barbecue sauce to make a mock Chick-fil-A sauce, or some sweet chili sauce for that Polynesian flavor. And let me tell you, these were so crispy, so beautiful. And once I took that first bite, wait for the dip. There you go. Wait for that first bite.
That is good.
Did you hear that crunch? That's what it looked like on the inside. These cooked up perfectly. I'm telling you, I would never go back to eating regular chicken again. Be sure to like this video and also subscribe to this channel. Join me on my other social media platforms, and I will see you next time.